Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix USB or external HDD does not show up in File Explorer. First method is open File Explorer, not shown any external HDD and USB drive. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Now disk 1 is not initialized, click OK to initialize disk. Create new simple volume and add drive letter. Second method is open File Explorer, not shown any external HDD and USB drive. Right-click Start button, click Disk Management. Right-click Disk, click Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Add and assign any drive letter. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.